traffic units, ambulance traffic, Sherman Way, Topanga, Sherman Way, Topanga, code 3, incident 5343, 902134.
Okay, I just heard code 3, Sherman Way in Topanga, as I pull up to Sherman Way in Topanga. So we're looking for something here. Sherman Way in Topanga. That's exactly where I am, unless they're playing last week's. Okay, we're looking for something here. Sherman Way, Topanga, ambulance traffic, there it is. I'm hearing sirens coming from all directions. I see them coming up from the south. I hear, looks like a motorcycle. Looks like a motorcycle and a car, perhaps. And here we have rescue ambulance, possibly from 105 would be the closest one. My guess, maybe 84. Let's take a look. That's 72. They're being flagged down by the civilians. What we have here, you can see I'm not really zooming in on the injured. We have LAFD coming in from two angles. This isn't quite Topanga and Sherman Way. It's more Topanga and Schoolcrafter. So I'll tell you what that is in a minute. Looks like it's involved a motorcycle. I hear more emergency vehicles. I'm going to guess that this is going to be police. Fire department had come, and an ambulance, and a truck. I hear another emergency vehicle. I'm assuming it's going to be, there it is, police. And tow truck. So we have here West Valley, Topanga Towing. We certainly have a man down. We have man down. We have, and we have police talking to the involved, and they're taping it off, which is the fire line. Do not cross. I see them doing first aid to someone on the ground. They totally assume it's the motorcyclist. I'll zoom in on this motorcycle here. Looks pretty banged up. First responders are here, paramedics. Oh, there's our victim. I don't want to get too close to him. And we have we have more than one victim here, or injured. Anyway, the man is standing up, and they're adhering to him to a stretcher and standing up. Apparently, that's a method. Police are on site here. I believe it's Valley traffic. If I see the
video.
The video, yeah. So what we have here thus far is the tow over here. The tow was called apparently that early. and another tow here. I believe we have one motorcycle. We might have two injured. I'm going to just zoom in on this motorcycle here. All right. That looks quite the mess. We have more emergency vehicles. I don't know what they have anything to do with this. We're looking southbound on Topanga. Oops, sorry about that. This is 84. We have one man on a stretcher. We have a couple of people, looks like relatives, really upset and nervous. They see the bike, they're allowing her in. Obviously it's a relative. Very upset pulling up to something like this and knowing that your loved one is involved. This gentleman here is in a neck brace, and they're asking him to sit down here. See, what I don't know if he was a passenger, or he was a pedestrian, or whatever. And they're putting him in a gurney that's a chair. The other fellow, they attached a portable gurney as he stood up. What you're looking at here is the wreck of the motorcycle. A relative and a fireman talking, while one person here is being loaded. He has a neck brace on, probably precautionary. The other gentleman of two that I've seen is in the other ambulance, 72 there. They're both 72 and 84. This would be Topanga and Gault. Yes. Gault Street, which is just south of Sherman Way and Topanga Canyon. Maybe I'll put this up. Okay. I'll tell you. Yeah, let them go. Yeah, look at that. They're not gonna let them go. Let's see if we get these people here. It's a little frustrating. And we got another victim here. I don't know if there were two on a bike or what bike hit someone. Okay. The second injured was just taken away. And over here, the tape's done, so the fire department's done. We still have Valley Traffic, 2 officers on Valley Traffic, taking their notes and accident report, etc. Looking at possibly the mileage, possibly fuel levels, etc. Okay, I shut the camera off and talked to Valley Traffic. The two officers from Valley Traffic responded to this. I asked him if it was 2 guys on a motorcycle, or a motorcycle and a pedestrian, or anything else. And he said it's too early in the investigation, which is appropriate, but it looked like a pedestrian and a motorcyclist involved. Okay, so let me summarize again in case I didn't get it. The original call was for ambulance traffic at Topanga and Sherman Way, which is a bit north from here. This is a very, very difficult street to cross at this point. There's a crosswalk there, no lights, no stop signs. I had to do it. It was difficult for me. I have no idea if the passenger or if the pedestrian was hit because of this. Anyway, this is Gault Street. It's the first street south of Sherman Way. And we had respond fire, 2 rescue ambulances and a truck. 2 tow trucks came. 1 left, and the other one's removing the bike here. Valley Traffic came after the rescue ambulance, and it's probably going to stay till the end until he sees it all gone.